In this video, we'll show you how you can add captions to any video on your Android or iPhone for absolutely free. So to get started, open the Play Store or App Store on your Android or iPhone and then search for the Edits app. It's an official app from Instagram itself. So simply download the app and open it. Now here tap on this plus icon at the bottom and then choose the gallery option. Now here select the video to which you want to add captions to and then tap on this right check mark. Now here you will see this captions option at the bottom. Simply select it. Now you need to select the styles option and then choose a style that you want and then select generate captions. So as you can see, the app is now generating captions. Simply wait for this process to complete. And once the captions are generated, you can preview the video using this play button. So once you are satisfied with the video, simply tap on this export option at the top right corner. Once the video is exported, you can tap on this download option to download the video to your phone's local storage, and there are no watermarks and you can use it unlimited times for both vertical and horizontal videos.